G'day guys, Will here, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is just going to be a super quick one for you. Just want to quickly run you through my recent experience with the HP Reverb and the customer service experience of returning it, getting a replacement and things like that. So I mentioned in my video the other day where I was driving with my triple screens again instead of VR that I had some issues with dead pixels in this headset. Now those dead pixels were there right from the very start. I didn't mention them in the initial video and review simply because I wanted to see if they came good. I wanted to run through the entire customer service experience before saying anything about it. I think it's always best to try and be, fair about those kinds of things. So, and to be honest with you, it was only 3 or 4 pixels and they were intermittently dodgy, but they were right in the middle of the field of view on the left-hand eye. And so they'd flicker on and off sometimes and it was a little bit distracting. It was kind of right at that point where it's like, do I bother doing something about this, or is it really worth having away time, or it was kind of touch and go as to whether I was even going to bother getting it fixed. But came up to 6 days old. You only get a 7-day window of opportunity for DOA requests, and so I thought, what the heck, I'll call them up. So I rang them up and basically explained the situation, and I was absolutely amazed that they basically offered me over the phone. They said, look, there's 2 options here. We can either have you send it back to us and we'll ship you out a replacement, or you have the option of doing a swap over as well. Now they said it would be a 3 to 4 week wait for a swap over. So if I wanted a replacement as quickly as possible to just send it back, and then they'd send me the new one once they received the old one. And I said to them, well, I'd rather try and avoid any downtime if possible, because I'm obviously still making videos and things like that. So I took the option of a swap over. And basically what happened was they rang me up, they kept me informed throughout the entire process, basically sent me a request sheet to fill out, sent that off, all good, printed out an address label and everything. And I got a phone call this morning from the shipping company basically saying we've received your replacement. And a guy will be there today to deliver it and swap it over. So delivery man showed up today, delivered the new headset, gave me a sticker to put on the old headset, sent it back, and I'm happy to report that the new one is all good, no dead pixels at least so far. And yeah, happy days. So look, I'm not sponsored by HP, don't have affiliate links with them or anything like that. The only affiliate link that I have for this headset is an Amazon one. So I'm not trying to peddle a product or anything like that. Just like to try and share these experiences with you to sort of keep you in the loop and let you know what's going on. Because I know a lot of people have had concerns about these headsets in particular. I know there's been a few people that have had problems with the first batch and things like that. So I think it's really important to be open and honest and transparent about the customer service experience as well, because things do go wrong hardware-wise. We are sort of operating at the bleeding edge of technology here with high resolution panels and things like that. So it's understandable that things can go wrong, but at the same time, it's all about the customer service experience and how they handle those problems for the customers. So yeah, big thumbs up from me for HP. Yeah, I've not had to deal with HP much in the past, but I certainly wouldn't have any hesitations dealing with them again based off this experience. But let me know in the comments below, have you had a good experience with them? Have you had a bad experience? Have you had a similar experience to me? Let me know in the comments, because obviously I'm just one person. My experience isn't necessarily indicative of everybody's. So yeah, let's get a bit of a conversation going in the comments below. But thank you very much for watching the video. Just keep it nice and short and simple for you today, guys, and I will see you again soon. Bye.